Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve the problems based on applications of linear equation in one variable. Okay, we are going to solve the problems based on application of linear equation in one variable. In our previous class, we have discussed about what is linear equation, isn't it? What is linear equation in one variable? An algebraic equation which has only one variable and the power of the variable is 1. The algebraic equation has only one variable, and if the power of the variable is 1, maximum the power should be 1. That type of equation is called as a linear equation in one variable. And we have solved the third problems based on linear equation, and we have find the unknown value in the given linear equation also. Today we are going to solve some problems based on its application, isn't it? So here the first example problem. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? Okay. The problem here, the linear equation is given in the form of statement. The problem is given in the form of statement. While solving such type of problem, read the question twice. Okay. Understand the question and form the linear equation. If you form the linear equation, then the problem is easy to solve. Okay. So read the question twice and form a linear equation. Here the question is what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. Okay. What is the question given here? Some number. Okay. What should be added? Some number is added to twice the rational number. Is added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3. And the result, if the number, unknown number, is added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3, the result what we are getting is 3 by 7. What we have to find? The unknown number we have to find. Okay. For that first listen. So, twice the rational number of minus 7 by 3. So, find the twice the rational number of minus 7 by 3. So, twice means we have to multiply by 2. Twice means we have to multiply by 2. So, twice of minus 7 by 3 means we are going to multiply the number by 2. So, 2 into minus 7 by 3. So, multiply 2 with the ratio number minus 7 by 3. 7 into 14. So, plus into minus. So, minus. So, minus 14 by 3. Okay. Here, what should be added to the twice the ratio number? What should be added with the unknown number? So, we are going to give a variable for the unknown number. Okay. Commonly, we will be using the variable x to solve the problem. So, we are going to take, let the required number be x. Okay. The unknown number, we are taking it as a x. Okay. Now, come to the question. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? How we will form the equation? What should be added? We are going to add x. The unknown number we are taking here as x plus twice of the rational number. Twice of the rational number, what result we got? Minus 14 by 3. Minus 14 by 3. To get, what is the answer we are going to get? 3 by 7. Okay. So, this linear equation is given in the question, in the statement form. See here, number should be added to twice of the rational number to get 3 by 7. So, we found the linear equation here. X plus minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. What we have to do next? We have to find the value of x, the unknown number x here. Okay. Further listen, x plus of minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. So, multiply the sign, plus into minus will become minus. So, x minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. What do you have to find? You have to find the value of x. So, keep x here. Take minus 14 by 3 to the next side of the equation. Okay, already we solved the problems now. The same manner, keep x here. Take minus 14 by 3 to the next side of the equation. So, keep x. If minus 14 by 3 goes to the next side of the equation, it becomes plus 14 by 3. Already there is 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Okay. If you solve this, we are going to get the value of x. How to solve this? 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Both are rational numbers. Okay. If you are going to add a rational number, first you have to see the denominator. What is the denominator here? 7. And here the denominator is 3. So, they are different. So, we have to take the LCM of this denominator. For 7 and 3, For 7 and 3 the LCM is 21. Now listen, you have to multiply 3 by 3. 3 by 3 because if you are to make 7 as 21 means you have to multiply by 3. So multiply the numerator also by 3. 3 3s are 9. Isn't it? Yes. Here, which number should be multiplied with the second number? 7. 7 3s are 21. So the numerator should be also multiplied by 7. So 14 into 7 is 98. 14 into 7 is 98. Now add the numbers. X is equal to 9 plus 98. What is the result of 9 plus 98? 107 by 21. But it is not possible to simplify. So keep x is equal to 107 by 21. Okay. So what number if you are adding to the twice of the ratio of minus 7 by 3, you will be getting the result 3 by 7. The number is 107 by 21. Okay. So if the question is in the form of statement, read the question twice, understand the question what is given and form the linear equation. Take the unknown number as the variable x. Okay, and form the linear equation, solve the linear equation and get the answer. Okay. The next example, children. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 cm and its width is 3 by 4 cm. Find its length. Okay. Here we are going to use the linear equation only to solve. Okay. Before that, read the question again. The perimeter of a rectangle. What do you know about a rectangle? The four-sided figure, isn't it? And the opposite side, two opposite sides are equal in length. Yes. So the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? We know the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle, isn't it? What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 times of length plus width. Length plus width. Okay. Length you can say also breadth. 2 times of length plus breadth or width. That is what is the perimeter of a rectangle. See here, the perimeter of a rectangle is 13 cm. The perimeter totally given as 13 cm and its width of the rectangle is given as 3 by 4 cm. We have to find its length. Okay, the perimeter is given and width is given. We have to find the length of the rectangle. Okay, for the rendering, we know the formula. The perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus width. Here, what is the unknown value? Length of the rectangle. So we are going to take the length of the rectangle be x centimeter. We are going to assign the length of the rectangle. The value is x centimeter. So after this, our work we have to find the value of x. Okay, we have to find the value of x. Before that, we have to form a linear equation. Now, how to form a linear equation here? The given is the perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle, we know the formula 2 times of length plus width. So see here, 2 times of length. What length we have assigned here? X. So x plus what the width is given in the question? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Which is equal to. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 13 cm, which is equal to 13 cm. See children, 2 times of length plus width of the rectangle is equal to, totally the perimeter is given as 13 cm. So we form the linear equation here. After this, we are going to solve this equation to find the value of x. How? Listen, 2 times of, we don't know the value of x, so keep x as it is. See now the width in the question is given in the form of mixed fraction, isn't it? Is given in the form of mixed fraction. We have to change to the improper fraction. How to change it? Listen, we are having 3 by 4. How to change to the improper fraction? 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So totally we have been written as 11 by 4. So here it is given in the form of mixed fraction. We are not able to solve the problem as it is. So we are changing this to improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3. That is 11 by 4. Okay. So changing as 11 by 4. This is equal to 30 centimeter. Yes. Now you can multiply this 2 inside the bracket. Okay. If you are taking 2 inside this bracket, means 2 will be multiplied with each of this number. Okay. Otherwise, you can take 2 directly to the opposite side of the equation. Okay. In both the way we can solve the problem. Either we can take 2 inside the bracket and solve the problem, or we can take 2 directly to the opposite side. 2 here is a multiplication operation. If it goes directly to the next side of the equation, it will become division. Okay. So we will take 2 to the next side of the equation. Okay. So now x plus 11 by 4 is equal to 13 by 2, because that 2 is a multiplication operation. If it goes to the next side of the equation, it will become division. So 13 by 2. Now what is our job? We have to find the value of x. Yes, obviously we have to find the value of x. What we can do here? Keep x, take 11 by 4 to the next side of the equation, isn't it? So 13 by 2 plus 11 by 4. If it goes that side once, it will become minus 11 by 4. Plus 11 by 4 goes that side of the equation once, it will become minus 11 by 4. Now see, here two rational numbers are under the operation subtraction. We have to subtract these two rational numbers. Yes. So before that, whenever if you are adding or subtracting a rational number, surely you have to check the denominator. If the denominators are same, you can add or subtract the numerator as it is. If the denominator are not same, different means you have to take the LCM and then only you have to solve the problem. Now take the LCM for 2 and 4. What is the LCM for 2 and 4? It is 4, isn't it? Now multiply 13 by 2, because 2 2s are 4. If you are multiplying here by 2 and 2 only, we are going to get the denominator 4. So 13 into 2. What is the value of 13 into 2? 26. Minus already 4 is there, so just 11. Okay, so x is equal to 26 minus 11 by 4. What is 26 minus 11? X is equal to 15 by 4. We got the value x is equal to 15 by 4. See children, 15 by 4, whether it is proper fraction or improper fraction. It is in the form of improper fraction. So if you do not end the answer with improper fraction, so change the answer to the mixed fraction. How to change 15 by 4 to the mixed fraction? Divide 15 by 4. Yes, 3 4s are 12 and the remainder is 3, isn't it? So it should be changed as 3 4 3. 3 4s are 12 plus 3 is 15. So finally we got x is equal to 3 by 4 centimeter. What is x here? X is the length of the rectangle. Okay, the question is to find the length of the rectangle. We have assigned the value x for the length of the rectangle only. Finally we got x is equal to 3 by 4 centimeter, which is the length of the given rectangle. So based on linear equation one variable, the next problem. See now, the present age of Sahal's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahal. Okay, here the age of mother and son is given. Okay, so the present age of Sahal's mother, okay, is 3 times of his son age. Yes, if you know the son age only, you can calculate the age of his mother. So first we are going to take the present age of Sahal. Be x years. I don't know his present age, so we are taking his present age as x. Yes. Now, so what will be the present age of his mother? Read the question again and tell me. The present age of Sahal's mother is 3 times of his son age. If his son age is x now, his mother age will be 3 times of the son age. So how we can calculate the mother's age now? It will be 3x. If his age is x means 3 times means we have to multiply by 3. So his mother age will be 3x. Okay, so we are taking the present age of his mother be 3x. Next, after 5 years, their ages will be added to 66 years. After 5 years, if you are adding the mother and the son age, it will give you the sum 66. Okay, after 5 years, if you are adding their ages, it will give the sum 66. In that case, we have to find their present ages. Okay, after 5 years means, now if you are 10 years old, after 5 years, how many years old you will be? Plus 5. Son is x plus 5 and his mother is 3x plus 5. Now, what is given? After 5 years, their ages will be added to 66 years. Their age will be added to 66 years. So, after 5 years, if you are adding both of their ages, it is equal to 66. Yes? Now, x plus 1. Okay. First, the son age, x plus 1 plus mother age plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. According to the content of the problem, it is given. Okay, after 5 years, if you are adding both the ages, it is equal to 66. So, x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equal to 66. What is the unknown variable here? X. We have to solve this and find the value of x. Then we can find the age of Sahil and his mother. Now listen, add this. How we can add? First, add the variables. Okay. X, 1x plus 3x. If it is not given, we have to take it as 1. So 1x plus 3x plus 4x plus the numbers 5 plus 5, 10 equal to 66. Now solve and get the value of x. How? Keep 4x. We have to find the value of x now. So keep 4x to the one side of the equation. Take 10 to the next side of the equation. If plus 10 moves that side, means it will become minus 10. So 4x equal to 66 minus 10. Now 4x equal to 66 minus 10. What is the value? Plus 56. 66 minus 10 give you 56. But I want the value of x alone. I want only the value of x. So x is equal to 56 by 4. Why? Because 4 is here. Multiply with x. If it goes to the next side of the equation, it comes under division. So x is equal to 56 by 4. Now, solve it. It is able to simplify now. Simplify this. So 1 times 1 4 is 4. Remainder 1. So 4 4s are 16. So x is equal to 14. We got finally x is equal to 14. What is x? X is the present age of Sahil. So we can take that the present age of Sahil. Present age of Sahil equal to how many years he is? 14 years. So if the present age of Sahil is equal to 14 years, his mother age, what about his mother age? 3 times of Sahil's age. Yes. So 3 into 14 is 42. So his mother age is 42 years. The next example, children. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coin as he has 5 rupee coins. Okay. So see here, he is having some amount in his hand. Okay. Then he is having some 5 rupee coins and some 2 rupee coins. The detail is given here. He has 3 times as many 2 rupee coin. 3 times as many 2 rupee coin as he has 5 rupee coin. So the number of 2 rupee coins is based on 5 rupee coins because he has 3 times of 2 rupee coins as many he have the 5 rupee coin. So first we have to assign some variable for 5 rupee coin. Yes. So the number of 5 rupee coin bx. We are taking the number of 5 rupee coin bx because I don't know how many 5 rupee coin he is having in his hand. So we are taking the number of 5 rupee coins bx. So based on this only we are going to determine how many 2 rupee coins he has. Now listen, he has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins. He has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. So now the number of 2 rupee coins. How we will determine how many number of 2 rupee coins he has? So 3 times of 5 rupee coin. So we can take it as 3x. Yes, that's only given in the question. Okay, so 3 times of 5 rupee coin, that is here x. So 3 times of x. Now listen the next. If he has in all a sum of 77 rupees, totally in his hand he is having 77 rupees. How many coins of each denomination does he have? So in the total amount we have to find how many 5 rupees coin he has and how many 2 rupee coin he has. Okay, so we have to calculate how many 5 rupees coin are there equal to 6x. So from 5 rupees he is having the amount 5x, and 2 rupees in the form of 2 rupees he is having 6x. Okay, that's the amount. But in the question they have given that the total he has a sum of 77 rupees. Yes. First in general we will say the total 5x plus 6x. This is the amount he is having in his hand now. So 5x plus 6x. So 5x plus 6x will give you 11x. So now he is having the amount 11x in his hand. But in the question it is given as he is having rupees totally 77. Okay. So we are going to equate this 11x to 77. So listen children, we don't know how many 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin he has. So we are taking the 5 rupee coin as x and the 2 rupee coin as 3x. Just we have to calculate the total amount in his hand. Okay. So we are taking from 5 rupees we are having 5x, and from 2 rupees we are having 6x. The total amount is 11x. But in the question it is given that which is equal to 77. The total amount is equal to 77. So we are equating the total amount. 11x is equal to 77. We have to calculate the value of x. How? X is equal to 77 by 11. Yes, because 11 is multiplied with x. Here, if it goes to the left side of the equation, it is under division. So x is equal to, what is the value of x? 7. Because 1 11 is 11. 7 into 11 is 77. So we got the value of x is equal to 7. What is x here? The number of 5 rupee coins. So the number of 5 rupee coins is equal to 7. Yes, and the number of 2 rupee coins. The number of 2 rupee coins we have 3x. So 3 into 7. This is equal to 21. So totally he has 7 5 rupee coin and 21 2 rupee coins. The next problem. The sum of 3 consecutive multiplies of 11 is 363. Find this multiplies. Okay. So the sum of 3 consecutive multiplies of 11. The consecutive multiplies of 11 means we have to take the next multiples of 11. For example, if first 11 means, what is the next multiple of 11? It is 22. What is the next multiple of 11? 33. If you are taking x in general, the first number means second number can be taken as x plus 11 in general. Third number you can take it as x plus 11 plus 11 or x plus 22. In this manner we can take the 3 consecutive multiples of 11. Yes, first if you are taking 11 means, if you are taking x means, the next number will be added with 11. The next number is added with the previous number by 11. Likewise, we can find the consecutive multiples of 11. Here, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11. So, we are assigning the first number as x. So, what will be the next number? Plus 11. So, first number plus 11 will give you the next multiple of 11. Yes, so x plus 11. The next number we are going to add 11 with the second number. If you are adding 11 with this number, x plus 11 plus 11, that is x plus 22. So here only 3 consecutives we are going to take. So x plus 11, x plus 11 plus 5. Okay, or x plus 22. What is given in the question? The sum is equal to 363. If you are adding these 3 consecutive numbers, the sum is equal to 363. So the first consecutive multiplier is x plus 11 plus x plus 22 is equal to 362. So we are going to solve this and find the value of x. If you got the value of x, we can find the other 2 numbers also. So first solve for x here. See here, add the variables, like variables. X plus x, which is 3x. Then the numbers 22 plus 11. Add the constants. 22 plus 11, 33 is equal to 363. Yes. So it is given the total is equal to 363. So we are adding the 3 consecutive multiples of 11 which is equal to 363. We are having the same variable x, so add the variable at once. So it is equal to 3x plus the constant 11 plus 22, which is equal to 33, which is equal to 363. Now solve for x. So keep 3x. Keep 3x. Take 33 to the next side of the equation. So already tell us 363 plus 33. Move to the side of the equation as minus 33. Have to subtract 33 from 363. What is the value? 3x is equal to 330. If you are subtracting 33 from 363, the value is 330. We want to find the value of x value now. So keep x 330 by 3. If it goes next side of the equation is divided. Okay, so 330 by 3. So if you simplify that, what is the value of 3 to get? 110. If you are going to simplify by 3, the value will see 110. So x is the first multiple of 11. We are taking here multiple of 11. So the first number is 110. What about the other two numbers? The next consecutive number, x plus 11. So x is equal to 110. If x plus 11 means you have to add 110 plus 11. What is the value? 121. The next number, x plus 22. What is x here? 110 plus 22, which is equal to 132. Okay, so here the three consecutive multiples of 11 are 110, 121, 132. If you are adding this three number, surely we will be getting the result 363. So this is what the number we have to find. They are the three consecutive numbers of multiples of 11. Okay, children. So based on this problem, we have solved. Today we have solved some application problems based on linear equation in one variable. The problems are given in the form of statement. So we will be getting your assignment problem. Okay. So you have to read the question twice and form the linear equation based on the content of the problem and solve and find the unknown value. Thank you, children.